Hi there, good day and welcome to TechVatiyar. I am Janira. In this video, we are going to learn the installation procedure for Keil Microvision 4 software for Embedded Systems Lab. The software is available in your Google Classroom under Software and Tools. Once you download it, click on the downloaded file and the installation process will begin. Now click Next, select I agree and click Next. Choose the destination folder for the software and click Next. Fill in all the details in this window and click Next. Now all the files will be installed to your computer. Once the process is completed, click Finish. It will redirect you to the release notes. Now you can see that the Keil Microvision 4 icon is created on your desktop. You can also find it in the Start button of your computer. So this is a very simple process. I hope this video was useful for you. Thanks for watching. Happy learning. Do like and subscribe the channel for more learning.